Hi, this is Josh from Fenix3D, and here is a video showing how to solve our puzzle cube. We're going to solve this the way I designed it, starting with this block here. It's down in here first. Then you move to one of these W looking pieces. It's down in next. We move to this little L. Fits down into that corner. We move to this little truncated piece. Then to this tall guy. He fits into that top corner there. And finally the other W. And that's it. Now, like I said, that's only one way to solve this. In this configuration, putting these parts in this general order, you can solve it about 6 different ways depending on which side you start with. But, like I said, there are at least 4 different ways to solve this that we know of, putting the parts in a different configuration. Anxious to see what some of you guys come up with. So feel free, like, subscribe,